Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shadowing Practice with Sophia. This is episode 18 of season 1. Thanks for joining me again as we continue to work on our English fluency. Remember to listen, pause, and repeat, focusing on copying my speech as naturally as you can. Today, I want to talk about something that can be both enjoyable and incredibly rewarding: the fun of learning a new practical skill. We often think of learning in terms of academic subjects, but acquiring practical skills, things you can do with your hands or that help in everyday life, can be just as valuable and often a lot more fun. What kind of practical skills am I talking about? Well, it could be anything from learning some basic cooking techniques, like how to chop vegetables properly or bake a simple loaf of bread. It might be learning how to do a basic repair around the house, like fixing a leaky faucet or sewing on a button. Perhaps it's improving your typing speed on the keyboard, or learning how to use a particular software program more effectively. Even learning how to tie a few useful knots can be a practical skill. The great thing about learning practical skills is that you often see tangible results quite quickly. When you successfully bake that loaf of bread or fix that faucet, there's a real sense of accomplishment. It's empowering to know that you can do these things for yourself. It can make you feel more self-reliant and capable. Learning a new practical skill can also be a great way to engage your mind in a different way. It often involves problem solving and using different parts of your brain than you might use in your daily work or studies. It can be a welcome break and a chance to be creative. For instance, learning to arrange flowers or do some simple gardening can be very calming and satisfying. Moreover, these skills can save you money, make your life easier, or even open up new hobbies and interests. And you don't have to become an expert overnight. The key is to start small, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process of learning. There are so many resources available nowadays, from online tutorials to workshops, that make it easier than ever to pick up a new skill. So think about it. Is there a practical skill you've always wanted to learn? Maybe now is a good time to explore it. Even a small new skill can add a surprising amount of value and fun to your life. I hope this gives you some interesting ideas and useful language for your shadowing practice. Keep up the great work. I'll see you in episode 19. Bye for now.